Hello. Hello. Hello, welcome. Hello. Hello, word from Hello Word. This is Manu, your nitty teacher from the hell. Oh. It's Monday again. No idea how can that happen. Have any idea why that's happening? Hello, hello, welcome, hello. This is Monday. No idea how and why that's happening. Somebody tell me. Hi, so what do I do today? I need the to-do list. Yeah, so today I wanted to where's my Google Slide? Why is this week repeating? Am I trapped in the endless loop of weeks? Why? After I finish the week, after the weekend, why is Mondays always come? Yeah, so today we're gonna continue making the prototype of type. Yeah, it can be prototype of this kind of balance game. Yep, working on it. Groundhog Week. Secretly googling. Think something for the repeating. I learned something. I don't know. Isn't that the cliche of some certain animation or like fictional stories? First of all, I wanted to open Blender, but I forgot how to use Blender. So let me find out if I'm smart enough to use it. Something like that, but I think it will be cool to put it half here, and then I forgot how to do it. How do I do that? Right. And move a little bit. I forgot all the keys. Um, like I select. Yep, something like that. Is more than good enough, huh? I think it will be also cool to add some kind of additional decorations like floating island. Would it be longer than that? It's difficult to see in my opinion. We're gonna first export it and then see if it looks good. Ooh. So I will export. Stage? Did I name it? I think I somehow have to apply the transform, but I forgot how to do it properly. Okay, let's see. Pretty much sure I forgot everything. I was better at Blender to do a better job there. Yeah. The sides. What do I want to? I think it's at least like twice as big as current one here. I mean, the size doesn't really matter, but I would like to have the similar size as the and how should I make it? Also the normal is not really smooth. I forgot how to do that. Be some way. Forgot everything. And I also want to make probably this part a little bit more visible. Okay. Okay. I was doing better at 3D modeling and I forgot everything. Like that? Whatever. Fine enough, right? Huh? Blender seems so complex. At the very beginning, I thought it's very unintuitive. Like you have to press G for moving your vertices. And now I feel like it's totally totally makes sense. I mean, why wouldn't you press? Why wouldn't you press the G for movement? Totally intuitive, right? Yeah, okay. Looks like a diamond or something. Okay, let me find out how to smooth surface. Surface normal. Okay, I will not gonna watch any YouTube videos. I wish there's a written tutorial. Object or face. Shade smooth. Object mode? There's object. Is there anything called object or mesh I see. Face. Mesh? Shading? Shade flat. Face? Okay. Yeah, okay. That looks smooth. That looks like a hole. I don't know whether that's what I want, but it looks okay. Oh, I also wanted to make it smaller, huh? Shiny. Kind of like a diamond. And for that, I had to apply the transform and everything. How do I do that? I forgot everything. Apply scale, press Ctrl A on the keyboard. Did it apply? No idea. Yes! Yes, it did! Yay! This is my cake. Yay! So instead of this one, I need to copy the option, huh? Rigid body. Mesh collider. And connect body to this and get rid of mesh renderer and box collider. Do I need box collider? I don't think so. No, I don't think so. Then turn this off. And then this is my stage. Oh. Eh? Are you making a cake? Yes, because nobody offered me a piece of cake. So I decided to bake for myself. Is it? It no longer looks like a cake. Oh, do you miss this part? Why is it not set to 0? And delicious, a cake. Finally, you finally got the cake from the Aperture Science. Aperture. What we must. But why is it falling? That's my another question. Do I need Max Collider? Let me find. Let me find out. I don't think so. Okay, why is it jumping up to there? Oh, I don't need to use gravity. Yes. Yes. You solved the problem? Oh, no. Why? Why don't you want to be the part of this awesome spinning stage? Why is it? 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 Yeah, that's okay. If I connect the body, balance all the toppings on the cake. Ooh, that would be cute. And then the next stage, you have to make a pizza. That would be cool. First cake, pizza, and I don't know, chicks. I don't know why. Maybe that's too cruel. Maybe strawberries are better. Yeah, but why is it not working? Let me just replace this with the mesh. Oh. The center is different? I have no idea. Huh? You're not doing the great job, Mesh Collider. Mesh Collider is calculated when it's added, huh? That's interesting thing to know. Why is this one not working while that one is working? No idea. Why? Why and how and... Yeah, but should I just be happy because I solved the problem? Well, that's not what I want. It's rotating forever and falling forever. But why is that happening? So the rigid body for... So the rigid body calculation is different when the collider looks different? I don't think so. That. Hi, hello, welcome, hello. Hi, hello, welcome, hello. Yeah, I'm suffering right at the moment. I made this awesome pizza dough, and which is not really moving as I expected. Why? Before I changed the mesh, it was okay. I mean, the easiest way is I can just have the collider of this one and the mesh of the other one. But why is it behaving differently? That's my question. Okay, I lied. Now everything is falling apart. Is that the great news or is that the worst news that I can expect? Oh, I didn't connect it. Okay. I think that's a good news. Pizza time! Pizza. Need more pizza. Okay, that's better. At least that's behaving as I expected. Want it to be. Let's try it once more. Well, it's the same. Why does it have the different position? Oh, I see. I think because I changed the scale, Y scale. Your PC specs? Forgot. Forgot, but it wasn't that bad. At least it wasn't bad like 4 years ago. It was like i7 something. 10th generation? Did it call Skylake or something? I haven't. That. And graphics card. Too good for just making a silly game like that. I use 3070. I would say that this is like great. I think also that's too good for doing just okay, so this should be okay, right? To fix the anchor. Yay. Visually not that cool, huh? It's visually not that cool when it rotates to the different direction. I think it's okay when it is falling to the front. Like half a macaron. That sounds yummy. So do you want some macaron? I have few. Where is it? That's the place where I want it to be. Yeah, I think if it's rotating to that direction, I think it's okay. Yeah, I also feel like it would be quite cool. Um, if it behaves like that, it want to stand up again. But after some items are full, then it stops rotating like that, and then trying to rebalance. I think that would be quite okay. But is it possible? It is possible when I have the negative gravity, huh? Oh, where can I assign the gravity? Oh, I can. Is it drag or is it... Huh? I want to pursue my career into game development and I used to do Unity, but my laptop is now working very slow. It takes 10 minutes to load a new project. Oh, that's quite bad. That's quite bad. I mean, I also had some time that I didn't expect to be a Unity developer or doing anything with Unity. So like I bought the cheapest model that you can find in the laptop market. Is it worth to buy MacBook? I mean, if you prefer Mac or if you want to develop something in iOS, I think if you want to build for the iPhone, if you want to make a Apple related software, I think you have to have a MacBook. So you really need it, but otherwise, I mean, if you only want to build in into Apple devices, I think there's some kind of platform that fakes the Apple environment. My laptop specs i5 10th gen with 1650 Ti. That isn't that bad? What kind of project are you trying to build? I mean, it doesn't have problem with like something like that. What I'm doing. It should be something heavier than this. By the way, random story, but I sold some of Nvidia stocks last Friday. And then now today it's going higher again after I sold it. But that was a really random story. No idea why if I said that. I feel like I lost my language too, I think. Okay. Are you laughing at me? Yeah, but maybe not the best day, but I think I had enough profit. I made enough profit. I was imagining the alternative world that I invested every single penny into Nvidia, like I don't know, decades ago or something. That was sweet dream. Everybody think of something like that, right? Something like the word that I bought Bitcoin. Or is that only me? I tried one model from the graphic card. It's not working as it was. Oh. Oh. So, it's dead. That's quite sad to hear. I don't know. I think if you're not aiming to build softwares into Apple devices, I think MacBooks are more expensive. Oh, I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I cannot really use MacBooks, so I cannot really say that. Yes, go for it. but yeah, I think it can be also a choice. I mean, MacBooks are quite good in certain aspects. Nvidia. What would be the next Nvidia? Want to be rich without working. Yeah, well, what did I want to do? Can't build PC because I'm student and I don't have job. I will build when I get a stable job. But MacBooks are more expensive, isn't that? The same spec. How do I say it? Same ability. My language! I felt like it would be easier if I just speak in Japanese or something. I feel like I studied Japanese too much recently. Yeah, I think PCs are stronger. Windows laptops are stronger. It is. Should I go for another gaming laptop? Well, I mean, if you don't have to really carry it around, I would rather buy a desktop because it wasn't that expensive. I have a MacBook and it can still freeze on me. Oh, Apple. Now, from now on, Apple should do better than before because I sold some Nvidia stocks and invested on Apple. Red Legion. Oh yeah, I have a Legion gaming laptop. Is it really worse than my current computer? I have no idea. I was always making such a silly game with low poly. I cannot really tell which is better. I mean, I'm just wasting my computer. The only thing I'm doing with 3070 graphics card is that I just run the VTube Studio and Unreal Engine at the same time with OBS. I think that was the time my computer suffered the most. That's not really graphics cards work, huh? There's a no Windows app sucks, huh? Windows app sucks, huh? Okay. Also, you cannot install any Windows apps, and that's bad. Okay. And I forgot what I was doing. Okay, what did I do? What did I do? What do I want to do? I was complaining about angle, huh? Then I lost all my memory. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. That happens to everybody, huh? Mac. At the very beginning, it was quite difficult to understand those kind of like key bindings. Oh, yeah, I remember. I I want it to have the negative gravity. I remember. Unity. Rigid body. Negative gravity. I mean, there's way, but it's complicated. Force. I mean, there was way to change the gravity. The negative direction. Isn't it? Am I dreaming? Huh? Thought I could do that by just changing a number. But apparently I was dreaming. I mean, I can do it in code. But I thought I could do that in Inspector. I mean, another way to do the negative gravity is that I just place everything upside down and flick the camera. That. Let me try. Negative gravity. Time to define the gravity. I think I will try to define the gravity. Rigid body, gravity, use gravity, but gravity scale doesn't exist. Yeah. Arrow can stream when well, there's a problem that I don't know any new songs. What I realized, a very limited playlist, and I don't listen to new songs. And I don't practice. That was a little bit problem. Okay. So how do I reverse gravity? How? 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 Why is the gravity negative? Tell it to cheer up. I mean, the gravity doesn't have to be negative. But what I wanted to be was after the part of the upper item falls. So let's say that this is like that and then felt, and then I want this to stand up again. So I thought one of the way would be having the negative gravity. Then it would be something like dangling in the air. It would be slowly stabilized, right? Invert z-axis or y-axis, whichever way is up. It's y-axis. But yeah, I was thinking about like flipping the camera, like which direction it should be, like something like that. And then I just like put everything upside down. But then I feel like everything else would be super confusing. So I'm trying to find a way to put the negative gravity for the certain object only. I mean, it doesn't have to be negative gravity, but that's what I want. I mean, my first approach. I don't know. Is there any better way? And I always thought it's like super easy to make a negative gravity for a certain object. But maybe I was always dreaming. I thought it's only a single number somewhere here, but it wasn't. No idea why. Can I make it like -1? Not really the main value. What about? Doesn't work. Maybe I cannot really do that. I don't know. I don't know. Is there any way to stop? The rotation. Unity, reverse gravity. It's time to define your gravity. So I can change the gravity scale of rigid body 2D. But what about 3D? What about 3D? Constant force 2D. Constant. That's like that. Oh, that's a cube, but I think it's quite good to test. Where is it? Did it go? Okay, so it's going upward. That's a good sign. But I want it to be a little bit slower so I can see what's happening. That's maybe something I'm looking for. Make this cube heavy. What about that? Bam. Well. 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 Well, didn't help. What about having very high number of force? Would that help? Oh. Actually, that's balancing. That's quite cool. Okay, let's make this. Um, I don't want the cube to go higher. Going crazy. What happens if you make it like have high mass? I think then it's more difficult to rotate around. More difficult to move. But it's all relation. So if I set it to like 0.1 and then cube to I don't know, let's say 0.1, that would obviously move faster. Actually quite cool. And if I make it into like 1,000, then the cube wouldn't do much on the plate. Oh, that's the role of the mass. So what if I just have it very large number? That's cool, but I wanted to return after it fell. It looks cool, but I want it to stop. Can you please stop it at some point? Does it help if you have the lower half have more mass? Or half? Well, that sounds very much of a reality. Does the Unity simulation work like that? That's my question. I mean, if the lower half have more mass, then it should have two rigid body for each simulation, and it should be somehow connected with the. Let me try. God. Then no idea, in my opinion. Well, I mean, in reality, this should work like a fake dice. Forgive me about my example. I was reading Easy all the time. I'm just testing it around because I have no idea how it actually works. Okay, so just add another material. Well, I don't think it would work like that. It's yellow. I don't think it would. That's very Ukrainian. Well, that's like a great message, but I don't know whether I think it's like a little bit weird to deliver some kind of political message on colors when I'm testing the mass rigid body. And let's make this to 100. No, to 100. This to 1. And then I combine those. With it, with joint, I think it should be fixed joint. And if I do that, let's rotate it half. I mean, in reality, it should fall on the heavier side, right? How did it happen in... Well, doesn't seem like it's falling on the heavier side. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I don't think it's working that way. I don't know. To be honest, I don't know. But I like this effect that is like bouncy. But I just want it to be... Want it to stop. How do I do that? Must be some way. There must be some way to simulate. Must be some way to simulate friction or joint. Unity, joint, friction. Bouncy is cool. Yeah, I like that. But I just want it to eventually stop. Oh, there's friction joint. But friction joint is 2D. How to add frictions? I just have to adjust the code, huh? Unity, friction, apply frictions on character joint. So let's see. For the fixed update, we get the velocity. Okay. Let me just copy and paste it. Copy and paste it. And paste it and see. Not negative gravity anymore. Here's about the type, the name of the class. Uh-oh. Want to have a hinge joint, I want serialize body. Get that. Word torque. What is torque? Eh, eh, eh. I'm wondering, is that torque? If I add the higher force, would it? Well. Well. If I add the more force, it return. Doesn't seem like it. Just makes everything faster. Why? Why can that be? Why? And what is relative force? What is torque? Um, huh? Hey? What do they do? What do they do? Ah! Can I add friction for the configurable points? Doesn't seem like that. Doesn't seem like that. Unity physics. And collider surface friction. I don't want it to be, but let me see. Are you winning, Manu? Not yet. But at some point, probably. But I feel like it's not today. That's the spirit. Yes, we're gonna win. But maybe not now. Now that I think about it, about how to make the friction. Maybe I can just add the velocity lower. Your balance thing is those floating arenas in Keijo. Keijo? Keijo. Word City? Floating arena is in Keijo? Oh, that's animation, huh? Okay. I don't know. Very dumb. Speed is always just that's why. Bullying. Life is difficult. That actually stops. Yeah. Yeah, maybe it does. Ah. Huh? It's only stopping in that direction. Unity, constant force. Vector relative. Okay. So the force is vector of force in word scale, and the relative force is in local vector. And this is a vector of torque. And the object start to rotate around this axis. No idea what that means. This is for the local. Okay. Ah. Character joint. I wonder how, I wonder why. Tabla. The blue sky. Da-da-da-da-da. Oh, there's bounciness. Okay, bounciness, bounciness, bouncy, 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 bounce. Where's bounciness? Bounciness is already 0. Hello, welcome. Dropping by to say keep up the great work. Thank you, thank you. Have a nice day. Evening, day, morning, whatever. For dropping by. But the bounciness does something. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Welcome. Have a nice day. So this bounciness does something. Was somewhere between 0 and 1. And this should not do any bouncing. But it is bouncing. So I don't know. Okay, maybe bouncy is something different than what I want, I guess. I think that's different. Unity. That should be frictional. I don't know. Life is difficult. Horsey. Ah. I mean, this effect is cool, except that it never stops. Hmm. 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 Ooh. Ooh, so lovely, just like Mono. I can be fixed as well? Huh? Huh? Trying to make balance game, ended up creating perpetual motion machine. Wow, great invention comes from the mistake. Wow, did I just invented something cool? Wow, there's no force to stop the initial movement. Yeah, that's my question. How can I add that force to stop the initial movement? I mean, in reality, you just do it, right? Because there is something called friction and then you will eventually lose the energy. But why? It doesn't lose any energy. And if I add more force, it just... that doesn't help. So I think the only ways that I stops how what like velocity. Like a magnet levitation machine. I'm inventing all different types of machines. But if you add a floor, like what kind of floor and where? I mean, it doesn't really stop anything, right? Yep. 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 Touching the disc at the top? Commission, so it affects the movement. With collision. Yeah, but I think there should be some way to just slow the movement down. Hyperwobble! It's like anxiety. You just make it like try to calm it down, and then you just shout like, okay, please, can you please just be quiet and stable for a second, and then it's like panicking more, even more. Let me see. Let me see. Well, I think this is interesting. You can actually set the center of the mass. I don't know how exactly the physics in Unity works. That'd be quite fun to find out. But for now on, I think it would be quite great idea to just cry. How should I slow down? I mean, if it's like movement in one direction, I think it's easy to control. But it is mainly rotation, right? Do you even move? Or does it? Does? Imagine if this game goes viral like Fika game. I think it's less cute. You'd never have any Hayaki of this game. I mean, one not really physical solution, but one faking way is that I mean, when the game is over, wait, isn't this slowing down? When the game is over, and then if there's some kind of proper effect, like pop-ups or some kind of like, I don't know, sad movement you lost kind of, then I guess you wouldn't care much about the movement of the plate. But on the other hand, I just wanted to make it stop. But didn't it eventually stop? Or am I just dreaming about it? Give it a little bit more force. It isn't stopping, but it's slowing down, I feel. I don't do. Make any difference, huh? I think it doesn't have to be, it shouldn't be the relative force, but it should be force. Should be in the word. It has realistic physics, I guess. I mean, it doesn't stop. In reality, it would stop. I mean, I like this bounciness. But I wish it to stop. It never stops. Oh, can I make it stop? I mean, this is cool, isn't that? But then, can you please make sure that you're not moving anymore? I have no clue. Agent detection. Ah. Ah! Oh. Oh. Um. That's what I want to say. Um. Yeah, I don't think I can change any speed or velocity because it's quite complicated to control if position and rotation is changed at the same time. So I cannot just like multiply certain factor. There must be a way, huh? Be some way. What if you put it underwater? I mean, how would you how do you simulate the underwater? It must be water physics. You need to offer for physics? There can be, but I don't think there is a good one. They don't have one. I mean, you can buy one in the SS store, but they don't have it for the engine. Ah! And I think water physics are like super expensive, isn't it? Usually. Did you try with half a sphere before? Half a sphere? What do you mean? Placing half a sphere? Oh, or like physics simulation? I mean, I'm quite new to the using joints. So I don't know how this physics simulation and joints usually work. Ah, Mono 2024. That's a touching speech. I don't know who said that, but I think that's like quite heartwarming. Whew. 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 Ah. Hello, Sambe. Hello, hello. Welcome. Oh, I'm suffering. Suffering very much. Unity, how to slow down physics. I mean, that should be called as frictions. Slow motion from physics game. That's easy. How to create a time slowdown effect for that's maybe not easy. How to slow down rigid body naturally instead of maybe that one? Instead of sudden stop. Move my character. Blah blah blah. Well, that's easy. Okay. That one. Know the solution. I mean, if it's only going to one direction, I think it's relatively easy. But the thing is, can I still do that? Let me try. Stop? Maybe do it. So, let's try this and then go to bed. Bed is calling me. The velocity? Not really a joint. I don't. Axis. What should I change? I should change velocity and angular velocity. And maybe speed. Broke my key. Really breaking, I just removed one key. Speed, velocity. But how do I? Hey. Oh, Did it work? Okay. Let me try. Good body. Stage. The legit body. I also don't need cube. Can I get speed? Oh. Velocity. Add torque. Why does it add torque? That work? I don't know. Physics good. No idea why I edit those, but let me find out if that'll do anything. Bad feeling. Is that what I want? Oh! Seems like it's working as I want it, right? We need to work. Did it go? Where did it go? Are you? What? Look at Mona's face when something works. That proving that that proves that I'm cool, right? Aha. Aha. Yeah, I was pretending to suffer just to show you things like that. I mean, if I just finish everything really quick, it's not really like easy, huh? So I have to like pretend that this was a real thing, and then pretend that I was suffering for 1.5 hours, so you can think you can get the idea how cool it is, isn't that? Mona is very cool. I'm not like Summer. I'm always cool. Yay! Congrats! Yay! Hey. Wow. I mean, the first thing, this is exactly what I wanted. Second, it doesn't look that cool. It isn't as cool as I expected. But this is what I wanted. Yay! Does it spin? Do you want it to be spin, or I don't think it's spinning. Is that what you want, or you're just asking? Hey, this is cool. What do you call a Phillips screwdriver bits in Korea? Because in Germany we say Kreuzschlitzschrauben, or some say Kreuzschlitzschraube Schraubziehen, even though you don't pull out the screw. Um. I think it's just like cross driver. The driver. I would just call it. Yeah. In Korean, it's just called driver. Here's about. Huh? Here's about hot driver and everything. That's perfectly metric. Should keep the balance, isn't it? That's what if I have 4 of them? Let me try that out. Got to go. Hope you had a nice start of the week. Thank you for coming. Have a nice day, week, evening, morning. Thank you for coming. Four. Good night, Sanbe. Thank you for coming. Doesn't really keep the balance. What if I don't really it? I don't know why. I also don't want to know why. Okay, I will find out if it isn't cold enough. Okay, so I think I have nicely moving plate. And I can find balance a bit more in detail. But for now, I think it is quite as it is. Then for the next session, I can make a pipe. Should let the object pour on the plate. Name of the scene is actually temple scene, but it's a cross with a slit, like making a star pattern. When viewed from the above, it's only Phillips bit tab. Ah, okay. We distinguish between codes Schraubendreher und Kurzschlitt. Okay, I have no idea. I have no idea. No idea what exactly that is. People just don't distinguish it? I have no. No! I already forgot. No, for what? I already forgot. I'm wondering, why is that happening? Why does it fall so rapid? No idea. And I also don't want to know right at the moment. I wonder, why does it lose the balance that quick? Is it intuitive? Is something I see feels natural? It does. I don't know. For today, I will just call it a day, I guess. Yeah. So today I made a simulation for the physics, I guess, and then I will gonna make it better if feels not that. I mean, those kind of like balancing could be quite okay. Yeah, I think it's okay. I can try it out. Nice progress today! Yay! Even though if I knew the physics, what value to simulate them, so on, then it could be like only 3 minutes. But yeah, I can make 3 minutes tutorials for you. I just found out how to make them. Yeah, so today I just made those bouncy little plate that you can have all the balancing objects. And I'm not really familiar with the Unity physics, but I think this looks quite okay and cool. So even though I still have no idea whether it's a really good view to place it like that, but yeah, I mean it looks weird if I cannot see it, right? I don't know. I will find out what the good angle is. Yeah, but I wanted to make it like turning back when the objects felt. I think in that case I achieved my goal today. That's cool. Good night. Good night. So good holiday today, and I would continue making this on Friday. And I really need to buy those Steam games. I still didn't purchase anything. Maybe I shouldn't really think of like what else should I buy, and I should just buy a few games that I wanted to buy originally. Maybe that's a great idea. But yeah, I also feel like I want to buy a bunch of games. That would be quite cool to do on sales, right? I always feel like if I buy more games, I feel like I would earn more money while I'm spending more. So I just want to buy more games. That's why I didn't buy anything. I will see. Yeah, I just said that because like I wanted to do the gaming stream, but I didn't buy anything yet. So yeah, yeah, if that happens. We'll just have the waiting room, like a waiting room day before or something. I always regret. Yeah, good night. Good night. Thank you for coming. A congrats, and a clap. Thank you. I'm quite proud of myself today because physics was not something that I was familiar with. I always regret when I buy games because I don't have time to play most of them. But it's about buying, right? It's not about playing. Or is it about playing? There are a few games that I just bought while it was only like 20% off and it was on sale. And then I bought it and I never played it. And then now the sales that they are now like, I don't know, 50 to 66% off or something. And yeah, I have a few games like that. But it's about buying. It's not about playing, I would say. I mean, I still didn't play a bunch of games that I last sale, even though I skipped few sales. But anyway, yeah, so I would call it a day, and thank you for coming. Thank you for writing the chats. Thank you for hanging around with me. And I wish you to have a great morning, night, evening, or night, wherever you are. No buying until you finish the unfinished games. No! Should I achieve all the achievements? Or can I just install it and open it and call it that I finished the game? That would also take some quite time. I also have some horror games and I really cannot play any horror games, so that would be quite painful. Thanks for the stream. Thank you for coming. Good night. Have a nice sleep. Thank you. You too. Have a nice day. 07. Thank you. Hands up. Bye. See you next time. Most likely on Friday. Yes. Have a nice week as well. I mean, the cruel week just started, but I believe that you have power to survive. That would happen. Don't die. Don't die during the week, and I will see you on Friday. Bye. I'm yeah.